खाना बना रहे हैं। संडे का दिन है। संडे कुक नहीं आता है तो खुद ही बनाना पड़ता है। मेरे 2 फैंस आने वाले हैं आज जो कि मार्केट के बारे में सीखना चाहते हैं। जब तक आए नहीं तब तक मैं थोड़ा अपना खाना बना रहा हूँ, वो देख लो भाई। खाना बन रहा है। ये साला संडे वाले कुक, संडे तो क्या बोलते हैं, कुक वालों का छुट्टी रहता है तो खुद ही करना पड़ रहा है। पहली बार कर रहा हूँ, पहली बार नहीं, पहले भी किया हूँ। अभी खाना बन रहा है, बन जाएगा थोड़ी देर में। गोभी आलू का भुर्जी बनेगा।
आप नजर शाहिद शाह अफरीदी पे रहे, पिछले ओवर में भी बात कर रहे थे कि ये अच्छा मौका है, अब बुमराह का एक ओवर चाहिए आपको। ऐसे नहीं कि जाते जाते गुजर 15-20 रन और यहाँ से बन जाए। सब कुछ अब इन्हीं पे निर्भर करता है। अभी तक तो अच्छी
इसको
बल्लेबाजी की है।
कैसे ये मतलब शेयर करे स्क्रीन।
मुकीम आपके लिए बल्लेबाजी करने आए हैं बाएं हाथ के स्पिन गेंदबाज। मुझे नहीं लगता है दोबारा करेंगे बुमराह का, क्योंकि आखिरी गेंद है। वैसे तो बनता ही है सिंगल नहीं, लेकिन आपकी बात सुनिए, भी बुमराह आने वाले ये तो घुमा देंगे।
कहाँ नहीं हो रहा है यार।
99 के थे ना फंस जाएगा, 99 पे आज
ये रोस्ट हो चुका है। पता नहीं क्या, पहले गोभी आलू का फ्राई बना रहे हैं। दोस्त लोग आएंगे अभी थोड़ी देर में। पता नहीं कैसा है, बना लेंगे। थोड़ा हल्दी मसाला डाल, हल्दी, ये क्या है, मिर्ची पाउडर, मिर्ची पाउडर ख़त्म।
पाकिस्तान की हालत जो है उसमें ये सबसे बड़ा आघात भी क्या करता, 3 विकेट निकाली और बैक टू बैक दोनों बल्लेबाज तकलीफ दे सकते। अकेला बल्लेबाज जिसने आज कुछ रन बनाए,
पता नहीं यार।
अकेला बल्लेबाज जिसने आज कुछ रन बनाए। नो बॉल 101 पे शगन पे पकड़ा दिया बुमराह ने। इसका मतलब है कि अब लीड क्रिएट होगी।
पता नहीं कैसा बनेगा। ये रेडी हो जाएगा थोड़ी देर में।
बिल्कुल सीधे बल्ले से उस स्क्रीन का क्या फायदा मिला। फ्री हिट जरूर थी, लेकिन मानना पड़ेगा बल्लेबाज ने अपने इमोशंस को भी कंट्रोल में रखा क्योंकि
हो जाएगा थोड़ी देर में।
बल्लेबाज हवा में मारने को देखते स्ट्रीक देखते ही
हाँ, मेन चीज़ है कि नमक नहीं डाले।
वो मानना पड़ेगा कि फ्लिप
हमें
नहीं
नमक
आया,
का याद आया।
बैट को बिल्कुल सीधा रखा और स्ट्रीक का पूरा फायदा उठा लिया। कुछ ऐसा नहीं लग रहा 10 और 11 बेहतर बैटिंग कर रहे हैं आगे वालों से। बहुत बढ़िया शॉट, ये फ्री हिट नहीं थी
वो थोड़ा
लेकिन
कम हो गया।
बड़ी खूबसूरत, थोड़ा एंटिसिपेशन भी कह सकते हैं क्योंकि पिछली गेंद पे फ्रंट फुट पे मारा था, या तो ये भी कह सकते हैं कि उन्होंने विकेट छोड़ दी थी या जगह बनाई,
पता नहीं नमक
लेकिन
कैसा है।
क्योंकि इतनी दूर चले गए थे तो ये जो गैप था ना थर्ड मैन और पॉइंट के बीच में वो इतना बड़ा था उसको भेज दिया।
पराठा है, पराठा के साथ
बल्लेबाज
इसके
एक
साथ
अलग तरह से
बना के
अटैक किया
खाएंगे।
उन्होंने, वो छोटी सी चीज के चक्कर में पूरा मैच आपके हाथ से निकलता हुआ। जो पिछली 30 गेंदों की अगर आप बात करें तो 43 रन बचे हैं, 2 विकेट वही आपने, लेकिन ऐसे देखते देखते 110 रन बोर्ड पे लगे 110। ये वही टीम है जो एक और 64 पे 6 की, वहां से 110 पे 8 है और अभी भी 9 गेंदें बची है इस इनिंग में। अगर आप 2 विकेट
ढक्कन डाल दिए हैं, थोड़ी देर में निकालेंगे कैसा होगा। तो गड़बड़ है, अच्छा कलर नहीं आ रहा है, पानी पानी हो गया है।
8-10 रन भी बना दे क्योंकि 66 पे जब 64 पे 6 थे तो उस वक्त तो
जैसे कुक
120
नहीं है ना।
करते तो वो बहुत खुश होते। भारतीय टीम चिंतित तो नहीं होगी लेकिन जरूर दुखी होगी कि वहां से हमने इनको हाथ से निकाल दिया। जसप्रीत बुमराह को अभी 2 गेंदें बची हैं, 28 रन उनको पड़ चुके हैं 111 में से।
लिंक नहीं, ओपन यूट्यूब।
किस कंट्रोल के साथ गेंदबाजी करते हैं ना, जब एक आध शॉट लग जाता है, देखिए किस तरह से एंगल बदल लेते हैं, झट से डाउन द विकेट चले जाते हैं, सोच बदली, अपना एंगल बदला और ये खास रहे हैं सभी गेंदबाजों की तुलना में। अगर आप देखें तो आज सबसे बढ़िया प्रदर्शन गेंद के साथ इन्हीं का रहा है कुलदीप यादव। हार्दिक पांड्या साहब आप भी तैयार रहिएगा, आखिरी ने डालना है।
ओ बोल्डन।
नेल्सन स्कोरबोर्ड पे था, कुछ ना कुछ तो होना ही था। बहुत चांसेस ले रहे थे मुकीम साहब, विकेट छोड़ के तो जरूर आपको सक्सेस मिली थी, लेकिन हाँ उन्होंने एंटिसिपेट करने की कोशिश की, फाइन लेग आगे था, कोशिश थी कि वो लेफ्ट शॉट खेल दे, लेकिन जबकि बुमराह का निशाना चूकता नहीं है कभी। कप्तान भी खुश, 111 पे अब 9 पाकिस्तान। मुकीम ने एक एंटरटेनिंग रन 10 रनों की पारी खेली।
क्या दिखाएंगे यार इसको, फ्लिप।
आइसक्रीम खाने से मुझे दांतों में बहुत झंझनाहट होती थी। मेरे डेंटिस्ट ने समझाया ये सेंसिटिविटी है जिससे नसों में झंझनाहट होती है, इसीलिए
सेंसोडाइन दांतों के अंदर जाकर नसों को शांत करता है।
सेंसोडाइन वर्क्स।
My skin's dry, but sticky from the heat. What here could help?
I see a white hydrating essence. That'll be great.
Now this is legit.
हाय हाय।
हार्दिक पांड्या, बिल्कुल सोच सही है, आप इसी में टिके रहिएगा, इनके रडार के करीब ना आइएगा, बिल्कुल दूर चलिए और धीमी गति की गेंद एंगल के साथ और दूर जाती हुई।
लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन।
बिल्कुल स्टंप टू स्टंप लाइन पे यही फायदा है।
allow me some moment.
बल्लेबाज से चूक हो तो आपको विकेट मिल जाती है।
ରୋଷେଇ ଚାଲିଛି ଭାଇ, ରୋଷେଇ ଚାଲିଛି। ଟିକେ ଗୋଟେ 5 ମିନିଟ୍ ଦେ, 5 ମିନିଟ୍, 5 ମିନିଟ୍, 5 ମିନିଟ୍ସ। ଆଜି କୁକ୍ ନାହିଁ ତ ଭାଇ, ନିଜେ ହିଁ ରୋଷେଇ କରୁଛି ଆଉ। 5 ମିନିଟ୍, 5 ମିନିଟ୍।
देखा भी नहीं पिछले कुछ ओवरों में क्या हो रहा था। एक आग है, एक स्विंग है इनका। हाथ गिरी का
ଟିକେ ରହ, ଟିକେ ରହ। ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଭୁଛି ନା ନାହିଁ?
बीचों बीच आगे लगी है बल्ले के।
Let me go and pull some reports.
लॉन्ग लीवर्स का पूरा इस्तेमाल किया है यहाँ पे। रन 6 जोड़े हैं।
Will
उम्मीद सी जगा देते हैं ना। इनिंग का जब एंड हो रहा होता है उसमें एक खासियत
allow me a moment.
है। आप इसके बाद
ସେପଟେ ରୋଷେଇ ବି ଚାଲିଛି ତ।
लीजिए कौन इस बार तो फुल टॉस भी। शहीनशाह अफरीदी से उम्मीद करते हैं कि वो विकेट भी डाले क्रिकेट फैंस, लेकिन आज तो इन्होंने पल्ले से भी कमाल कर दिखाया है। लगातार 2 छक्के मार दिए। जी हाँ, बिल्कुल ठीक कहा आपने। देखते 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 खेलों में मस्ती से पहुंच गए।
ଭାଇ ଟିକେ ରହ, ଟିକେ ରହ, କହୁଛି କଞ୍ଚା ଅଛି ତ। ଦେଖୁଥା ଭାଇ, କ୍ରିକେଟ ଦେଖୁଥା।
लेंथ बदली आपने, लेंथ बदली है हार्दिक पांड्या ने। 29 रनों की पारी में बाउंड्री तो एक भी नहीं है, लेकिन छक्के 4 लगा चुके हैं अब तक यहाँ पे शहीनशाह अफरीदी। 4 छक्के और इस ओवर में तो 2 बैक टू
Just hold on, I mean 2-3 minutes, we'll start.
रन उस स्टेज पे आप ले आए हैं कि ताकि सोच में बदलाव आ सकता है। पीछे फील्डर है और नहीं पहुंच पाए वहां तक। तिलक वर्मा, कोशिश तो उन्होंने की थी लेकिन पहुंच नहीं पाए। बढ़िया अटेम्प्ट।
See, I am now installing TradingView. You can go through this TradingView. First of all, install TradingView in your platform. Okay, I will just give only a demo of 5-10 minutes, and then I will have, I mean, dinner. Then I will tell you sometimes other that time. Take care. Just have the patience. ଟିକେ ରହ ଭାଇ, ଜଳିଗଲା ଟିକେ, କଞ୍ଚା ରହିଗଲା ଭାଇ, ଭଜା ହେଇଗଲା। ଟିକେ ଟିକେ କହିବି ଭାଇ, 10 ମିନିଟ୍ ରହ, ଏଇଟା ହେଇଗଲାଣି।
यहाँ पे 2 रन भी जाएंगे, मतलब 20 ओवर का खेल समाप्त हुआ है और पाकिस्तान में पहले बल्लेबाजी करते हुए 127 रन बनाए
Slowly
हैं
चल।
के नुकसान पे। शहीनशाह अफरीदी ने
Okay, first install this TradingView platform. Okay, I'll tell you how you will going to, I mean, use in your database. Okay,
क्योंकि रॉक से जबरदस्त और कुछ है ही नहीं। रॉक की पकड़ में है।
it's all practical examples I will be showing you. Okay, you type the name of the stock, I will tell you, I mean, what stock you want to learn. Okay, so let us go for a popular stock of Tesla. We'll launch the Tesla stock here, and then we'll see. Just type it which stock you want to go and want to trade for a day basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. I'll teach you. Okay, you see there are 3 kind of bands. This is, I mean, my setup. I mean, maybe from the basics I will teach you. I mean, maybe in the coming days. Just for the time being, you just listen what I am saying it. So these are the Bollinger bands. This is the upper band. This is the middle band. This is the lower band. I'm just giving you an overview of for 5 to 10 minutes, and maybe once you have your friend ready with you, we will start it. Okay, maybe in the next week or maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday onwards. So this is the Bollinger band setup. We have multiple indicators. You see, this is the indicator button. There are thousands and thousands of indicators are there. Okay, so like RSI, if you put, there are so many RSI things that come. If you put like moving averages, lot of moving
भारत और
averages will
पाकिस्तान के
come.
बीच ये मुकाबला यहाँ दुबई में खेला
You
जा
see,
रहा है
right,
और
moving
जैसा
averages,
कि
but how to use this
पहले
setup, that
शुरुआत
is
करने
more
का निर्णय
important.
लिया था और
Okay,
पाकिस्तान ने
just a
127 रन
second.
बनाए 9 विकेट के नुकसान पे एक वक्त ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था कि वहां तक पहुंच पाएगी लेकिन शाही शाह
भाई
ने
कଞ୍ଚା ହେଇଗଲା ଭାଇ, ମୋ ହାତରେ ହବନି, ଖଡ଼ା ସିଝିବନି ଭାତ ତରକାରୀ। ଏ କୁକ୍ ଶଳା ସଣ୍ଡେ ଛୁଟି।
अच्छी रही स्पिनर्स की खासतौर पे आज हार्दिक पांड्या और जसप्रीत बुमराह थोड़े से महंगे साबित हुए लेकिन उसके बावजूद मुझे लगता है कि आपने 127 रनों में रोक दिया है
ପାଣି ଟିକେ
ये
ଦେଇଥା।
मुकाबला बड़ा खाते का है और अगर ये मुकाबला भारत को जीतना है तो उनको 120 गेंदों में बनाने हैं 128 रन छोटा सा ब्रेक और ब्रेक के उस पार
ଟିକେ ରହ। କୋଉ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଫେଜ୍ରେ ଅଛି। You see, there are multiple indicators I said you. Okay, first install trading view, then let me sound out ଟିକେ କମେଇ ଦିଏ ଭାଇ, ଗୋଟେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, listen it carefully. Okay, so these are all the indicators, multiple indicators are there. Go to the indicators, but we will use 3 to 4 indicators only, not max. Okay, so if you see the Tesla stock, right, it is in an uptrend. When we see consecutive green 3 candles, it is in the uptrend. We don't know whether it can go breakout, or from again it can go down as well. So for the timing, if you are trading on a day basis, right, always take like 15 minutes candle, or like, I mean, 1 hour candle. Mostly 15 minutes is allowed. It's better to go with 15 minutes candle. Okay, now I will go with this. You see, now you have to do one more, and once you change the time, right, you will get the correct version of it. So now we will go with the your I mean Tesla stock. Tesla is the hot stock, right? You see, right, whenever it goes Bollinger band, this is the higher, this is the middle, this is the lower band. Okay, so we will take the Tesla futures, because you will be trading in options. We will go with futures, not the cash. Tesla future. Just a second. ଭଜା ହେଇଗଲା ଭାଇ, କହୁନି ଆଗ ସବ କଞ୍ଚା ରହିଯାଉଛି। ଖାଇଦେବା ଆଉ। ସିଝିବନି, ହଉ ଚାଲ। Yeah, where are we? Tesla stocks, right? Tesla futures, why it is not showing in futures? Yeah, you see, right? This is the Tesla future. But why this is in Eurex? This is not in NS.
brought to you by Air.
don't know. Okay, I will talk in terms of this here. You see, this is the 15 minutes candle. Okay, always when you do intraday, it is better to go with 15 minutes candle. You will get good points. Never trade when it is in the range. When it is going out of the range, then only trade. Okay, so this is the Bollinger Band. The first one is the high band, the second is the middle band, third is the low band. Let's say your market opened somewhere around like 7 o'clock, right? 17, 19 o'clock, right? From 1930. This is the lower band. Okay. Whenever you see any kind of continuous three green candles, simply go for a blind buy. You see, whenever you see 1, 2, 3, from 385 it went to 395. Whenever you see three consecutive three green candles, right? This is a major opportunity for buy. You see 357, at least you will get 370. Especially when you trade in an intraday and when you get this kind of setups, don't try to play with small quantity initially, but once you get the grip, you will take the large quantities. This is on an 18th, on 12th of what you can say 12th of September. You see three continuous green candles, and immediately from 358, don't buy after two candles. After two candles it can come down, but there is a setup which we call as what is called three green candle or three red candle. Similarly, I will show you a setup which consecutively three down red candles, immediately you will see then put options will go rise. Here you need to buy a call option of 350, 360 like that, and once it gets like around 350, 360, then you can sell it off. Similarly, you see don't buy after here itself 370. We may miss this what you can say, we may miss this candle points like 370 to 385, but you are not sure that after that it will go up or down. Whenever you see three back to back green candles, go for call option. Whenever you see back to back red candles, three red candles, then go for a sell in a 15 minutes time frame. Always remember, this is a 15 minutes time frame, you will get good points. These are last 2 days. I will show you for other cases also. This is in the tight range. Whenever you see in the tight range, please avoid it. Tight range means neither the bulls nor the bears are in the control of the game. You know, you can't fight with them. And never take trade, jumping that I have lost in the trade, I want to recover it. In this way, you can't make it up. Always see the green candle. When I talk about these three green candles, right? Let me pull my, what you can say, mouse. It will help you. You see, I'll just take for 30 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. Okay, I'll show you so many cases of example. You see, this is one green candle. You see, you got a point immediately, three green candles, 1, 2, 3 green candles, 348. Immediately jump 355, almost $7 to $8. $7 to $8. If you take one or two quantities as well, you will get huge price. But don't wait that it will immediately go up. It will go up, it will take some time. But if you are taking for an intraday, try to capture like $7 to $8. You see, after that, once whatever the profit it came, although it didn't, you are not in loss, but at least you are not able to gain the profit on the same day, because a similar dark red candle app opened on the next day morning itself. So when you take trade, you have to ensure that in the 15 minutes you can acquire those trades. So this is one kind of setup. When you see three consecutive green candles or consecutive red candles, when you see consecutively three red candles, you can go for what you can sell. But if you are going for a consecutively green candles, you can go for a buy. So this is one Bollinger Band setup where you can see the upper band. Usually upper band are meant for sell. So upper band, whenever it comes to the upper band, usually goes for a sell. When it comes to the lower band, probability of going is higher. So usually when it comes down, never try to take a put call. Always be in the what you can say Put call, don't take a put call, take a buy call only. I mean, C option. There are two options, right? One is call option, another is put options. So call options means you want the market to go up. You see, isn't as soon as it hits the lower band of the Bollinger Band, then it went to the higher band. So for an intraday, I mean, like every day you want to trade it, take 15 minutes time frame as a charge. Don't take for 3 minutes, or I mean, the people take it for 3 minutes, but 3 minutes fluctuations is more. But once you get a 15 minutes setup, no, you will definitely get lot of money and lot of profits will be there. So when kind of 3 minutes, if I do like 3 minutes, this chart will get distorted and you will get confused. So always remember, when you take the setup, you take some bigger setups. You see, as soon as it goes to the higher band, it again comes to the lower band. So here, whenever it comes to the lower side, you see there is a big red candle here, and immediately it went off because you are at the lower end of the Bollinger Band. So when it comes to the lower end of the Bollinger Band, always ensure that you had a call option, not a put option. So you see, as soon as it goes to the higher band, then again it comes to the lower band of the setups. So when it comes to the lower band of the setup, wait for a minute, then you can take the setup. So you see this candle, how it went to like a rocket. You see, this is the entire base they have created it. This entire base, if I say base means, you understand, let me pull you with an example. Sorry, I mean base means within this region, right? There is no up and down, and as soon as you see this, it got broke out of this Bollinger Band, right? 1, 2, 3, 334. From here you never short it. I mean, most of the time, whether to hold a call, you just hold it, wait for a day or two, immediately it will go a jump. Whenever you see three big red candles, no, don't immediately sell off. So this is one setup. There are multiple setups when you can trade it like that. So let me go for a 15 minutes time frame. If I go with 3 minutes time frame, okay, I will show you the 3 minutes how complex it will be. So I never recommend people trading with 3 minutes time frame, because 3 minutes time frame is bit riskier side. I will show you. See, if I go with a single day, so these are India setups. I mean, you see 3 minutes means there is so much of fluctuation as it comes down. As soon as you go to the upper band, usually it comes to the hit of the down. Similarly, I mean, the charts are the same for all. I mean, if you go for Tesla, what we discussed now with the 3 minutes time frame, you see, as soon as you go up down, but 3 minutes, sometimes you see, right, it went off and immediately it come down. You bought something over here and immediately you see a downtrend. So my recommendation is go for 15 minutes, not for 3 minutes. Always recommendable advice is to go for 15 minutes. So whenever you see like any India stock, I will, let's say, go for Bata India, you see, these are 15 minutes time frame. So 15 minutes, once, always there is a, remember, once you break this, right, I mean the middle band, it will definitely hit the upper band of the circuit. You see, in a 15, go with a 15 minutes time. Well, go for any stock within your idea as well. You want what is your favorite stock? Can you pinging? Write your favorite stock in the column. Nvidia or Apple? Well, let's go with Apple. Okay, you see how the Apple trades. It has given a breakout from here, 15 minutes. This is a great setup. In the coming days, it might break this and it will go with 250, because you see the candles of 15 minutes, one big candle, another big candle. The buyer who has bought this, I mean the institutions who have bought this at this price point, it okay, I will go with the snowflake as well. So for the timing, you see the apple. So it's a best, one of the best setup for 233. You can take a call option of 230 to 32 whenever the market opens. But if it opens like a very big gap up, straight no. But if it opens like around like 230 232, it's the best setup for a buy apple setup. It can go hit 250 around mark maybe by the end of September. I'm expecting Apple to hit 250 at least before the end of the September series, because you see three big candles. The institutions will never allow you to sell this stock. I mean, they will make this higher and higher and higher. Okay, so this is from this to this, it has created a base, and now it has went into this level. So never, I mean, sell this stock Apple if you're holding it. Now coming to the snowflake era. Snowflake. So snowflake, now coming to the setup. Oh, okay. You see, right? It is a 15 minute. It is still not got. I mean, it has still not got what you can say the kind of setup what we are requiring it. At least we should be enough. Maybe another three big candles. This green candles, right? Two, three green candles on the upper side can go and up hit this circuit. But I feel it is still on the downtrend on the 15 minutes time frame. Let us, if you want to hold for a longer time frame, like a year or so, we can go with like one day chart. Oh, three green candles. It's a big no. I think three green candles on a daily basis. We'll wait for the fourth day. If it recovers, then it will make a U-turn. If you're holding for a year or so, I will give you a best chart out of it. Snowflake. So depending upon your time frame, right? If you're trading on a day basis, go with a 15 minutes time frame. It is a clear cut buy. No need to sell this stock. You see, one, two, three big red candles on a monthly time frame. You can hold it. It can go a hiccups, like it can come around like 204 or something like that. But my gut feeling says it can go up to, you see, what is that high range of this? If you are talking about, can go up to what you can say 250 300, like that it can go, because in the monthly time frame it has given a breakout in this. If you check this base, right, 160 and all, it is a clear cut. If you see from the July trend onwards, it's a clear cut. No, if it comes around like around 180 190 also, it's fine, but it is a long term charts clearly says it will go for a further upside. So no sell at this point of time if you are holding for a long term. But yeah, if you are going for like 15 minutes, like a day basis, then you can see this what you can say hiccups. Snowflake. You see, right? So this is like artistic behavior of this. You see, once you see above this, it will at least go to 21 in a 15 minutes time frame. But this is very less. But if your vision is for a long term, hold it. Any other stock before we wind up the session? So this, you need to analyze your stocks. I mean, I will give you the setups. Whenever you want to take intraday, let's say, I mean, if you go with the Dow Jones, right? Dow futures. Okay, this is our Dow futures. It's
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
You see, this is the Dow setup. You see, in your setup also, it is applicable to all stocks, indices, everywhere. Whenever you see there is a lower end of the trade, it is coming. You don't take any, never take any kind of put call. Only take call, not put. You see. So this is Dow is in put. We'll go with Dow Jones. Why people? Okay. You see, this is the micro series. You see, I told you, the setup in Apple is good at the moment because 3 green candles and 15 minutes. 1, 2, 3. 45, 995. We are it never take to sell at this point of time because they won't. I feel from here it will go a recovery towards 46, 200, 46, 600 once again. So never, I mean, try to what you can say, take a put option over here. It will go again up in the coming days because whenever you see 15 minutes time frame, it is going to go up and up. You can see any kind of setups. This is Dow Jones, how you can trade Dow Jones. There are other indicators as well. I mean, this is one of the indicators. We have one concept called RSI. So RSI, I think I cannot use it because it's a free one. Once I take the paid one, I can take it off. Okay. So for the time being, I am closing this setup. Maybe I will connect with you offline. Okay. Or you can ping me your details over here. We'll study later on. Thank you. Thank you for watching the setup. Okay. Thank you for coming and watching the series.